Is not happy with her hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a 7-piece extension set in there to match her hair. That way for her wedding, it will be very beautiful and she will be happy, and that would be the last thing that she's worried about walking down the aisle. As you can see, her hair is pretty dry because it is over processed. I'm going to put a deep conditioner on it, a heat pack, and we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, rinse it out, blow dry, install extensions, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you feel about your hair now?
I love it. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely ready for my wedding.
Well, good. I'm glad. Can we see the back, please?
If I can turn.
Beautiful. Do you like it?
I do. It feels a million times better than what it was when I first came in here.
Great.
I want to thank dropshiphair.com for making my wedding dream come true.